friends, we've got to go full swing into this one. One of my favorite lines that I've ever heard in life, and I honestly don't remember who it was from. I guess, moving on. This quote goes like this: leave people better than you found them. What does this mean? I mean, it's pretty straightforward. It means that regardless of how you come to people or how people come to you, make sure that you are always leaving them better than you found them. This means that if they are already really good, you've got a challenge to make them even better than they already are. But if they aren't that good and they're not feeling that well, do everything you can to make them feel better. I personally believe, as we are all very deeply connected, spiritually, of course, energetically, it's our responsibility to take care of each other, because we are all together in this. There's no separation. Unity is everything. And so that's why I fully believe in making sure that everyone receives the absolute best care. If someone is striving for something, encourage the heck out of it for them. Go above and beyond for them. Smile even harder, smile wider, smile bright, as bright as you possibly can. Be the best example for their success. Lead by example. Be the best you can be, and that will help them to be the best them they can be, because there is no difference between any of us. Much love. Peace.